In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Norton to another device. Whether you're setting up a new phone, laptop, or tablet, having Norton on multiple devices ensures maximum security and peace of mind. Let's dive right in. First, start by visiting the official Norton website. This is your go-to hub for managing your products and setting up new devices with their robust antivirus and anti-malware software. By heading to the official website, you can ensure you're accessing the most up-to-date and legitimate version of their software. Now, once you're on Norton's homepage, you'll want to look for the option labeled My Account. This section of the website is essentially your control center where you can access your subscriptions, download software, and manage your account settings. Clicking on My Account will guide you to the next important step. After accessing My Account, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In button on this page. Use your Norton account credentials here. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can easily reset it by following the on-screen instructions. Signing in is crucial because it verifies your identity and allows access to your subscription details. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Norton Home dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The Norton Home page is your all-in-one space for viewing devices currently protected, managing subscription renewals, and initiating software downloads. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't used it before. With your dashboard open, navigate to the section labeled My Subscription. This area is vital as it hosts all your active subscriptions and product keys. By examining this area, you can verify which devices already have Norton installed and what licenses are available. Within My Subscription, find and click on My Subscriptions. This will show a detailed list of your Norton products. Here, you can check expiration dates, give licenses to other users, and track your subscriptions to a status. Reviewing this list ensures you know which product version to install on your new device. The final step is to look for an option that says Download or Share. Click on this and you'll be presented with a choice to either directly download Norton software to your new device or send a download link to another device via email. This flexibility allows you to directly install Norton wherever it's needed or share protection with a family member. Once you've completed these steps, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install Norton on your new device. Keep an eye out for prompts, like accepting licensing agreements, which are necessary to finalize the installation. And that's it. Your device is now secure with Norton. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your digital world is protected with one of the best security suites available.